So here's where I'm at. Moving the wires around, trying to get the least amount of wires that I got to cut, or lengthen. Preferably, I don't want to splice wires together. So what I found out that is if I put the E38 ECU here, a lot of the wires, all the short wires from the injectors and coils, which are these wires here, will fit into the connector, approximately the location where it's at. Thing that I got to do is all these wires have to be shortened. So what I did was I ordered the pins. I got the crimping tool. All these wires here have to be shortened. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull them out one at a time, cut them, re-crimp them, lay them down. These wires here are for the drive-by wire and my OBD2. These wires here are power. I got most of the wires here are making it. I'm going to have to run my knock sensors from behind. The two that I have to extend, everybody else is shortening, but two I have to extend. The two that went over here for the throttle and the map sensor, if I got that right. The other cables are going to come in from the bottom down here, so this will be dressed a little bit better, nicer, tucked in. Since I got to wait for the pins to come in, I'm stopping to work on this, and over here, starting to work on this. So this is the wiring harness that goes inside the truck. I'm going to have two different wiring harnesses, one for the engine, one for inside the lights and stuff. So what I'm doing is I got no schematic, no paperwork. It doesn't even have a part number on it, so I can't look it up and find the installation. What is what? Now half the wires are already disconnected. I know what a lot of them are, but I could clean it up, take his splices out. Heck, there's enough extra spots for fuses. All he had to do was, pop a wire in, a pin, and put a fuse in there. So, got to clean it up, figure out what's what. And that's what I'm working on today. Have a great day. Bye.